Hello guys, welcome to HK Tech, and today I will show you that how you can reduce the input lag or to reduce any type of shuttering or flickering in your game and to increase the FPS. So for that, first of all, you have to download the latest NVIDIA drivers for your graphic card. For example, I have RTX 2060, so I will write that now you have to download the NVIDIA drivers from, you have to select the product version you have exactly like this, then you have to download that. After downloading, you will get the setup in your downloads folder, and you will see a option of NVIDIA control panel here. You have to on this, then you can see these settings. First of all, adjust image settings with preview. You have to set it to use the advanced 3D image settings. You can also set it use my preference emphasizing, but in my opinion use the advanced 3D image settings is better. So I will select this. Then you have to go manage 3D settings, and you have set image sharpening to sharpening off and scale enabled. You have to tick this GPU scaling and set this to off and press OK. You have to set this option to off. You have to set anisotropic filtering to off. You have to set anti-aliasing FXAA to off. You have set gamma correction to on. You have to set this to off. You have to set background application max frame rate to off. You have to set CUDA cores GPU all. You have to set DSR factors to off. You just have to follow these, okay? You don't need to do anything else. You just have to follow these settings. Background application max frame rate to off. CUDA GPU, sorry, I have told you this. So you have to set low latency mode to off, max frame rate to off, G-Sync to compatible, and multi frame rate sampled MFAA to off, OpenGL rendering to NVIDIA RTX 2060, power management mode to prefer maximum performance. You have these options. You have to select prefer maximum performance. You have to set the refresh rate to highest available, shadow cast to on, and texture filtering to off, texture filtering to allow, texture filtering to quality, texture filtering to on, threaded optimization to auto, triple buffering to off, and vertical sync use the 3D application settings because you have set it use the advanced 3D image settings here. So you have to set this to use the 3D application setting, and virtual reality pre-rendered frames to 1, and the virtual reality variable rate super samp to off. Now we will move to configure configure surround, and you have to set this to your respected graphic card. Like I have RTX 2062, I have set it to RTX 2060, and then you have to move to change resolution. If you have a 60 Hz display, you have to set this to 60. If you have a 75 Hz display, you have to set it to 75. For example, I have a 165 Hz display, so I have set it to 165 Hz. You have to set the maximum maximum resolution your screen can give, and you have to set use default color settings for that purpose. And moving forward to adjust desktop color settings, you have just need to follow these settings. You have set reference image to 1, and same as I have set it. You don't need to change any settings at this tab, adjust desktop color settings, because it's already at its best. You don't need to change anything in this. You don't need to change anything in this. You don't need to change anything in that tab. And you have to set, if you have a G-Sync enable monitor, then you have to tick this and tick this enable for all screen mode, okay? And moving to set up multiple displays, you have 3 or 2 monitors, then you can configure your monitors here. And adjust video color settings, you have to tick with NVIDIA, with the NVIDIA settings. You have to go with the NVIDIA settings in the tab. And adjust video image setting, you have to go with use the NVIDIA settings, and you have to go with use the NVIDIA settings and go and take out this box, use inverse telecine. That's all. And you have to, every time when you set something, you have to apply your changes. For example, if I set it to on, for example, I have set it to quality, so I have to apply the changes from here. Okay, so when you will change the settings, you will not face any type of input lag or anything, and your frame rates will be increased. Thank you so much for watching.